ask you something. How well do you really know your team? Not just their roles or responsibilities, but what lights them up, what keeps them engaged, and what helps them grow. For most leaders, this feels like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. But here's the thing. AI is changing the game, helping us put those pieces together in ways we never thought possible. Employee engagement is more than just a buzzword. At its core, it's about connecting. And while we, as leaders, are great at building relationships, we sometimes miss the patterns that drive engagement at scale. That's where AI steps in. Not to take over, but to enhance how we understand and support our teams. Think about it. AI can shift through mountains of feedback, performance data, and communication trends to highlight what's working and what's not. It's like having a magnifying glass for your company's culture. Maybe you discover a team thriving because of a specific project structure, or you spot early signs of burnout before it becomes a bigger problem. But here's the thing. It's not about letting AI make the decisions for you. It's about using it to see what you may have missed, to ask better questions, and to respond with greater empathy. AI doesn't replace the human side of leadership. It amplifies it. It helps us make smarter decisions that are rooted in understanding, not just assumptions. And the impact goes far beyond productivity or retention. When you truly invest in your people, when they feel seen, heard, and supported, they don't just do their jobs. They bring their whole selves to work. They innovate. They grow. And as they grow, so does your business. Here's my challenge to you. How are you using the tools at your disposal to really listen to your team? Like really listen. AI isn't just here to take the human element out of leadership. It's here to make it stronger. And when we get that right, we don't just create better businesses. We create cultures where people thrive.